Hey nerds. So, look at this thing here. I got it on eBay. It was only one was available. It's a copper oxide rectifier with 5 plates. I figured out how it works here. So in the center you got the anode, and then there are like 2 ways. It's going this way to the cathode, and it's going to the left and to the right. So theoretically, when you have a center tap transformer, you can put one leg on the left, one leg on the right, and have here one pin. That's like the return to ground. And the center tap would be the plus. So I have here 6.3 volts, that's all available. The 15 volts here for the rectifier is already using the ground, so I cannot use it. I use the 6.3 volts, but those copper oxide rectifiers, they are not so good. Yeah, they have never been good. So low voltage, high current, but high current is also, yeah, quotes. So what I did now to make it run was I don't do like the full wave rectification. I take only one plate and the full 12 volts from both 6.3 legs. And the current still was not enough. Yeah, so both tubes, I got here some test tubes. Each one needs like 0.25 amps. And this thing doesn't deliver. I think it was delivering it when it was new, but after like 100 years, this one might be younger, but it's same technology. Yeah, outdated, but okay. I don't want to babble. So what I did was I put only one plate there between the voltage, and I put them in parallel. And this kind of works. I don't know how well it will work. First time I have to see this thing is weird. But let's see what happens there. So let me switch it on. What do we see here? It's drawing now 530 milliamps. Together with a series 2 ohm resistor, just for safety. And it's like 30 milliamps more than I need. I could lower the resistor, then it goes like to 700 milliamps. Like I said, tubes need 500, so we are over budget. That's good, because then we will not discharge the battery. So you see this rheostat there. The tubes need 5 volt. Here we have more, we have 6 something. So we can use the rheostat. This is like 100 years old shit. So you can hear and 5 volts is right here. This is 5 volts. Not exactly on 5 here. So this meter also probably is not calibrated anymore. But okay, that's 5 volts. So we have 5 volts on the tubes. And what do you see here? Look. It's like 30 volts peak amplified voltage. This is the tube on the left. This one is doing it. Where's my finger? God damn it. Here, this one. Yeah. I will use this one here. This one is newer probably, but it doesn't test so good, so I use it for playing around. This one is actually very pretty. On the right, and it also measures very good. Okay, so we are charging actually. We are charging. We are not overcharging, so you can put still current in there, even if the voltage is higher than those 6 volts or 6 point something. Yeah, for lead acid. Yeah, I know. Okay, so we will not fry it. It's running cool, nothing's happening, and the signal is clean. So I think I will leave it for now. That's period correct. This stuff definitely existed. It's shit. I know why they didn't like to use it, but yeah, okay. For those two tubes, it's a good solution. I mean, I got this transformer, got the windings. I cannot change the windings here. I don't want to change it. So yeah, this is a hack making this whole thing kind of running. But it runs and this looks good. So we are back on track. So next step will be to put the power tube there. The power tube will be driving a lamp like this, like a crater lamp. There's a crater down there. Yeah. There is probably a resistor inside there which I need to cut away. So I want to drive the tube without a resistor because the tube itself has a resistance and we need to push current. I think when there is a resistor in there, we would lose contrast. We could still modulate the brightness, but we would probably lose contrast there. So yeah, it looks okay now. I will mount it in, make it cleaner and post the pictures then. I didn't know this thing is so big. Anyway, I expected it to be like this size, but okay, even better. But it's leaky. It's got like a even ohmic resistance in the reverse and stuff. But as long as it works, I won't complain. Anyway, current is flowing. Oh, it's even getting more. And tubes are powered. Amplification is working. Alright, fellow nerds. Happy Friday and see you next time.